Hello guys, welcome to InfoTech. In this video you will see how to download many wallpapers and ringtones from just one application, Zedge. It's basically a Zedge application review, so watch the whole video till the end so that you can see how to download it and how to download the wallpapers and ringtones from that. I personally use it. As you can see here, there are many wallpapers and ringtones. We can also search for the categories and we can also see the categories and download them.